Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will explain Philips TV not turning on and how to easily troubleshoot. Number 1. Check the power supply. Ensure the TV is plugged into a working outlet. Avoid using power strips. Connect the TV directly to the wall socket. Test the outlet by plugging in another device. Number 2. Inspect the remote and TV buttons. Replace the remote batteries. Try turning on the TV using the power button located on the TV itself. Number 3. Perform a power cycle. Unplug the TV from the power source. Press and hold the TV's power button for 10 seconds. Release the button, plug the TV back in and attempt to power it on. Number 4. Check for blinking LED indicators. If the LED light blinks in a pattern, refer to the TV's manual to identify the error code. Commonly blinking indicates internal hardware issues. Number 5. Inspect internal fuses. Some models have internal fuses on the power board. Check these fuses for continuity using a multimeter. Replace any blown fuses if necessary. Thanks for watching.